Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can book an appointment in Finance Office online. To book an appointment online, you must have finance number and login password. If you don't have the password, then you can check my other video where I have shown you how you can apply for the password. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like and share the video. Let's start the video now. First of all, you have to go to the finance website. Click on the begin session. As I said before, to book an online appointment, you have to have the finance number and password. After entering your finance number and password, click on the authenticate. Once you have logged in, click on the personal data under the My Area. Here on the right hand side, you can see the e-Balcao. Click on this option. Then here you can see face-to-face service. Click on this. Then click on make an appointment. Here you will have to choose the subject. And then you will need to choose the sub-subject. Once you have chosen the sub-subject, you will see a warning here. It says that you must carry your password with you to the finance office and the other required documents which you think you will need. Here you have to choose how many documents you are going to take with you for the submission. If you are going to submit less than 50 documents, then select up to 50. If you're going to submit more than 50, then select 50 to 100. Here in the comment box, you have to write some details regarding this appointment. Here you can upload the document. Here you can see your number and email which you have registered with in the finance office. Tick on this small box. Once you have ticked this box, you can see more details. Here you can see an address of the finance office according to your house address. If you don't have appointments available in that finance office, you can change the area from here. First, you have to choose the district, and then you will need to choose the county. Here you can select the start date, and then you need to choose the end date. If there is no any appointment available in your area, you will see a notice here. And then you can change the area to see the appointment. You can choose the suitable date and time from this list. Once you have chosen the date and time, you can see the details here. You will see the date and time of your appointment and the address of that finance office where you have booked the appointment. After checking the details, click on make an appointment. This is the way you can book your appointment online. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can see my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.